Situated in a sought-after area in a quiet cul-de-sac, this superb family home with a pool features multiple living spaces with a generous combined living and dining room and a second central living space encompassing the updated kitchen, family and meals area. The kitchen is bright, modern and functional with ample cupboard and bench space. And from here you can step outside through sliding doors to enjoy the covered patio, rear yard and in-ground pool. The property is fully fenced for privacy and security. Back inside, there are 4 beautifully presented bedrooms, each generous in size with built-ins and ceiling fans. There is a centrally located family bathroom with a bathtub and separate shower, and the lovely master bedroom includes its own ensuite bathroom and a fabulous walk-in robe with wonderful built-in storage space. Also offering a double garage with secure access to the backyard, this fabulous location is close to schools, shopping, parks and public transport. To find out more, contact Stephen Dangerfield or Kanda Reynolds from Harcourt's Inner West.